This is an inventory management tracker with profit and loss. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the left hand side, we have got our items along with item codes and unit of measurement, means UOM. Just after that, we have got our purchase price and selling price along with percent markup. Let's understand what is percent markup. Suppose that you have purchased any item at the price of rupees 200 and you have sold the same item at the rate of rupees 400. So you have sold the item on 100%, means double the price. Benefit with percent markup is, after checking the percent markup, you can adjust your selling prices. Just after that, we have got our opening stock along with quantity and amount, stock purchased, closing stock. When we come to right hand side, we have got ideal quantity sold, actual quantity sold, variance, and in the end, we can see our profit and loss. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new workbook. Currently, we have got just a single sheet, and that is sheet 1. I'll rename the sheet. This will be inventory management. We'll click on A1. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B3 and we'll select B4 also, and we'll merge this. We'll drag this till H. We'll create borders. This will be serial number, items, HSN code or item code, UOM means unit of measurement, purchase price, at rate. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to Home tab. We'll come in the center. In center, we get the option of wrap text. We'll click on wrap text. Perfect. We'll click just after purchase price. This will be selling price. We'll put at rate, percent markup. We'll come to serial number 1, 2. We'll select both and we'll drag it down. We'll keep till 10. Items. We'll increase the column size. Item 1. We'll drag it down. HSN code. We'll take some random code. We'll drag it down. Unit of measurement. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to Data tab. In Data tab, we get the option of Data Tools in the center. Over here, we get Data Validation. We'll click on Data Validation. From the drop down, we will select List. Source. We'll take this to right side. Over here, you have to put all your unit of measurements like pieces, quantity, boxes or carton. In case you have got more unit of measurement, you can put it over here. So I'll put all my unit of measurements, QTY dot, we'll put comma, pieces, comma, carton, comma, boxes. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on OK. So my drop down got created. We'll select all the unit of measurement over here. Perfect. Purchase price. I'll take some random figures in purchase price and selling price. So I have taken some random figures. We'll select all from top to bottom. We'll press Ctrl 1. Format cells window will open. We'll go to currency. Decimal places we'll do as 0. We'll select a desired symbol of currency and we'll click on OK. So rupee sign got inserted in the beginning. Percent markup. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to percentage. We'll do decimal places as 0 and we'll click on OK. Now I'll click just under the header and will insert my formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to selling price minus purchase price. We'll take this in bracket. We'll come to the end, divided by purchase price, and we will hit enter. We got 100%. What will happen if I'll delete purchase and selling price? We got div error. I'll undo this. We'll click on our formula. We'll double click over here. We'll come in the beginning and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got 100%. Now I'll drag this down. Now I'll press Ctrl A or Command A. We'll go to Home and we'll create borders. We'll click on serial number and we'll select till UOM, means unit of measurement. We'll go to Home and we'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll click on purchase price and we'll select till percent markup. And we'll change sales color over here also. We'll change the font color. Now I'll come to right hand side. We'll click on I3 and we'll select J also. We'll merge this together. This will be opening stock, enter, quantity, and this will be amount. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll create borders. We'll drag this to right. We'll drag it one more time. So this became opening stock. We'll change the header color. We'll click next to opening stock. This will be stock purchased and this will be closing stock. Enter. We'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the cell and font color over here also. We'll change the font color. Percent markup has got formula, so I'll highlight this in gray. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select closing stock from top to bottom and we'll drag this to right. This will be ideal quantity sold. Enter. We'll change the cell color over here. Perfect. We'll come to left hand side. I'll take some random figures in opening stock quantity, stock purchase quantity, and closing stock quantity. Perfect. So I have taken some random figures. We'll come to opening stock amount. The formula will be plus or equal to opening stock quantity into purchase price. And we will hit enter. We'll drag this down. This will be formulated. So we will change the cell color. We'll come to stock purchased. Formula will be plus or equal to stock purchased quantity into purchase price. We'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. We'll change the cell color. We'll come to right hand side. Closing stock. Formula will be plus or equal to. We'll click on closing stock quantity into. We'll come to left and we'll click on purchase price and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. We'll highlight the cells. Now I'll come to right hand side. Ideal quantity sold. The formula will be plus or equal to. We'll come to left. Opening stock plus stock purchased minus closing stock and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. We'll put color over here because this is formulated. Amount formula will be plus or equal to ideal quantity sold into. We'll come to left and we'll click on purchase price. Enter. We'll come to right and we'll drag down our formula. We'll change the cell color. Perfect. Let's come to right hand side. We'll click just after ideal quantity sold and we'll select 3 columns over here. We'll merge the cells. This will be actual quantity sold. In bracket, I'll take 2 customers. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll copy quantity from here, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste over here. Now I'll copy amount, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste over here, Ctrl V or Command V. In the center, I'll put discount. Enter. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll create borders. We'll select headers and we'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color also. In actual quantity sold, I'll take some random figures. So I have taken some random figures. Discount. I'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to Data tab. We'll come in the center, Data Tools. Over here we get the option of Data Validation. We'll click on Data Validation. From here I'll select List. Source. I'll type different discount percentage over here. But in the very beginning, I'll type 0%, comma, 5%, comma, 10%, and in the same way, I'll put till 30%. We'll come to right hand side in the bottom and we'll click on OK. So I have got discount percentage over here. I'll insert random figures over here. Perfect. Now I'll come to amount and will insert my formula and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll click on actual quantity into. We'll come to left hand side and we'll click on selling price. We'll take this in bracket. We'll come to the end into. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on discount percent and we'll hit enter. So we got rupees 0 because there's no discount. And this is our half formula. I'll double click on the formula, will come in the beginning. Bracket open, we'll click on quantity, into, will come to left and we'll click on selling price. Bracket close, minus, and I'll hit enter. We'll come to right hand side and we got our amount after discount. I'll drag this down. Perfect. Now I'll come to left. We'll copy ideal quantity sold, quantity and amount, Control C or Command C, and we'll paste over here, Control V or Command V. We'll go to home and we'll change the cell color. This will be variance or variance. Enter. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll create borders. Quantity. The formula will be plus or equal to actual quantity sold minus ideal quantity sold, and I'll hit enter. We got 20. I'll drag this down. It got auto formatted. In case it's not auto formatted, just click Ctrl 1 or just press Ctrl 1, go to number and select the desired format and do OK. Perfect. This will be formulated. So I'll change the cell color. We'll change the cell color over here also. Amount formula will be plus or equal to variance quantity into, we'll come to left and we'll click on purchase price. Enter. We'll come to right and we'll drag this down. Over here it haven't got auto formatted, so I'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to number, decimal places 0. We'll select the desired format and we'll click on OK. Now we can see negative figures in red and it's inside the bracket. We'll put color over here. We'll come to right hand side. We'll click just after variance. We'll increase the column size. We'll select next cell just below this and we'll merge the cells. This will be profit or loss. Enter. We'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll create borders. We'll click just under header and we'll insert our formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll come to left, we'll click on amount which we got from actual quantity sold, minus, now we will click on amount of ideal quantity sold and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to number. We'll select this format and we'll do OK. Or we can press Ctrl 1, go to currency, select the desired format and click on OK. Perfect. I'll come to left. We'll increase size of row number 2. We'll select few cells over here and we'll merge it. This will be inventory management. Enter. We'll change the cell color and we'll change the font color. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll do as Arial Black. Now I'll click on inventory management and we'll increase the font size. Perfect. We'll come to right hand side. We'll click on S and we'll select T also and we'll merge this together. This will be total. We'll select column U and V and we'll adjust the column size. Perfect. Over here we will put our formula. Formula will be plus or equal to aggregate, bracket open. We will select number 9, that is sum, comma. This time we will select number 7, that is ignore hidden rows and error values. In case there will be any error over here, then also we will get the result. And in case any rows will be hidden, then also we will get the result, comma. Array. I'll select it from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got variance amount. We'll drag this to right. We'll click on total and we'll select till profit loss amount. We'll change the cell color and we'll change the font color. We'll click on amount of profit and loss. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to currency, decimal places, 0. We'll select this format and we'll click on OK. Perfect. Now I'll come to left. We'll click on inventory management. Let me reduce the size. Now I'll click on inventory management and we'll select till total. We'll merge this once again. We'll create borders. We'll come to right hand side and we'll create borders over here also. Perfect. We'll go to view tab and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll come to left and the format is ready. In case you want to increase more items, click on serial number. Just press shift control right arrow key and drag it down. Perfect. Let's come to left and one extra row got added. So you can increase the format as per your requirement. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.